Everything's set up here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. YouTube's a little bit slow this morning. I see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Anyways, how's everybody doing? We're up and running now. I see. Let's have a look here. Let's get everything set up and let's jump in. Get all set up for the morning market here. Up and running now. So everybody looking at pre-market. Let's have a look here. Let's get everything set up. How's everybody's day yesterday? Did everybody have a good day yesterday after they got offline and got some stuff done around the house and all the good stuff? How's everybody's day yesterday? Did everybody have a good day yesterday after they got offline and got some stuff done around the house and all the good stuff? How's everybody's day yesterday? Of course there is. Of course there is. Some stuff done around the house and all the good stuff. How's everybody's day yesterday? Of course there is. Good morning, Ed. Good morning, everybody. Everybody's laughing. Oh shit, there. Of course there is. It wouldn't be a morning without it. It is what it is. It's gone now, obviously, right? I know you can. Oh man. I know you guys think that's hilarious. But anyways, let's get on with the day, man. Wow. If there wasn't an echo, it wouldn't be this channel. That's awesome. Right on, guys. So I'm just getting set up here and hey, yeah. Can I get a hey, Sanjay? Where's Sanjay? Can I get a hey, Sanjay? Where is he? He's not even on here this morning. That's weird. Anyways, good morning, Christopher. Jay, good morning. Warren, Alfred, Alina, good morning. Ed, good morning. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. So, wow, pre-market. Okay, well, GME, when I was out making, good morning, Steve. When I was out making coffee this morning, I was looking at it and everything's, good morning, Kevin. Everything was all red. I was like, oh, fuck. Pardon my language. It's another one of these days. Oh, damn it. It is what it is. Let's go do this. But GME's up 1% again. It just switched like 5 minutes ago. So that's good. Good. Just having a look here. I've already set up everything earlier this morning. I was a little bit early this morning. So I was just looking through some news. I guess there's Citadel is under investigation right now, as far as I read. So that's good stuff. We already kind of knew that, but they're actually in full investigation. So that's obviously good news. You know, investigations take a long time. So we'll see whatever comes out of this. Who knows? It's very vague what under investigation. They're into so much bullshit and crap along the market. And they have so many offices. Like I've said before, 2015, they were kicked out of China for shenanigans too. They're not allowed to trade in the open market in China, okay, as of 2015. Okay, Citadel has offices all over the world, okay, guys? Almost in every country. Not all, almost, okay? So, who knows what? Like I said, it's very, very, very vague. It is, hopefully this has to do with, I don't know if they're connected with the dark pool. I'm pretty sure that they have some entities tied into it. But like I said before, it's a majority of people doing this. It's a majority of these funds. It's not just one person. They don't have control over the whole market, okay? And it takes an organization to do what they're doing with this dark pool, delivering a lot of these shares and stuff. It's It's coercion. They're coercing a whole bunch of people into doing this. So hopefully they will nail this. Like I said, we always talk about this, but remember, it was very, very quiet. And now that I said the quiet's good. So, yeah, the SEC is nailing them. So we'll see what happens. It is what it is, right? We don't know. They're not going to go and tell you information and on what's happening when they're under investigation. They'll just say, hey, they're under investigation. So anyways, I just want to tell you guys that. I've seen a couple articles on it yesterday, and then early this morning some new news came out on it. Like I said, I can't tell you anything else that I don't know that isn't speculation. There's a lot of speculation, and I'm not going to go out and throw speculation out there because it doesn't mean anything. There's no there's no factual backing on it. Okay, so I just want to tell you that that's good news. Okay, I'm going to go through some of your questions here if you have any. Here, let's have a look. Just because I'm way ahead of stuff this morning, way ahead of time here. Questions are, they are brokers and they have a lot of hugging functions and sell buttons. Would make a great time by pressing the she blows. Yeah, that's right. Christopher, yes. Yeah, for sure, my friends. Sanjay joined the pack? Yeah, what? No. All right, he did? Yeah. He's an official wolf now. Oh, I didn't see that because that's when I pull that up, that's where the echo comes from. Let's see. I didn't see that this morning. Oh, Jay got blocked here. Hong Kong ain't the shit without us. I just unlocked that. Right on. Sanjay. Right on, brother. I never got a notification on that. Thanks for pointing that out. My friend. Okay. Pandora Papers are very interesting. They hold more hidden money than 10 times the US debt. Wow. Holy shit. Oh yeah, shit. Sorry guys, slipping here a bit. Sorry guys. Oh, we did it early. This is for Sanjay because he's been on here for a long time. I'll do market open again. He's been on here for a long. Oh, you'll hear some echoing probably. Sorry about that. But anyways, you might hear some echoing there because I hit the button. Good morning, Gloria. Good morning, everybody. Oh, wow, man. So I got some news. I got called into that job, eh? So starting probably next week, I'm going to be back doing some supervisor stuff. I'm going to be coming on here about 4 a.m. Pacific time. I'm going to be leaving and heading out to the job site probably about 5:30, 5 in the morning. So, and I'll be out there for about 10, 12 hours a day. I do have cell service out there. So I'm going to be operating the machine. So I do have a TV in there and I will be watching the stock market the whole time. We will be broadcasting the channel. Nothing has changed. We're going to, if it does hit into a squeeze, I'll be taking some time off. And we're going to work at it when the time comes because we could be waiting a while, right? So, like I said, the squeeze is going to be up to a couple weeks long. Most likely it'll be intense for the first 3-4 days. I'm not worried about it at all. I'll be sending notifications out. Like I said, that I have YouTube has unlocked features on my phone. I can actually do this right off my phone, right at work. Okay. So, it's a job opportunity that I did pull myself out of retirement for. The wage is about triple what I'm used to making. There's a shortage of workers up here. So I'm making about $150,000 a year starting. So that's without all the perks and benefits. So that is a lot of money up here. There's probably one of the 1% highest paying jobs around. So I just want to be very transparent with you guys. Nothing has changed. I got to look out for number one. So it's my family. So it is what it is. It'll make my retirement a lot better. I'm building my pensionable hours up. And this job is a couple of years long. But I'm allowed to leave whenever I want. Okay, I don't have a signed contract or anything like that at this time. So I just want to be very transparent with you guys. It's most likely starting in a week. I've just got my email this morning that they just gave me a cash bonus for coming to their team. So I haven't accepted and signed the paperwork yet. But look at this candle go here, guys. I just want to be very transparent on this. So we are hitting green right now. And if you have any questions, I will answer that stuff for you. Not a problem. And Sean, good morning. Angel, good morning. Citizen, good morning. Oh, you can't see the pro. Sorry, guys. There you go. $36.73. I'm going to hit the refresh button here. Let's see if that makes a difference. Sometimes it does. Okay, let's pull this back here. Yeah, this thing has a default setting for some reason. It kicks off that price off the side for some reason. I don't know why it does that. So I'm just going to have a look at, okay, GME is at 176.48 right now, and market open 0.38 in the green. So as I was saying, on my phone, I can actually fire this platform up, and you guys can all log on my phone. Okay, I don't need to be in my studio for that now. Like I said, YouTube unlocked some stuff on my phone for having so many subs on our channel. So I can do this right out of my truck, my work truck. Okay, I'll only be able to do a couple minutes, but it is what it is. You guys are all professionals anyways at this, but I will be there with you guys. Not a problem. I'm just giving you guys heads up because I love you guys, or else I could just keep this, right? It doesn't. I'm not like that though. But yeah, so all the early morning risers, I'll be up. I'll probably be on 2 hours earlier, an hour earlier. Okay, we'll figure out that when the time crosses. Okie dokie. Let's have a look here. CEI Energy is just up 10% already this morning. Prodigy is up 10.81% this morning. This market's been so weird lately. Wow. AMC, you got to do something different, man. What the hell? It's the same shit every day. That's weird. I don't even know what to say about this. Every day it's the same action. That's weird. 52. I'm just going to wait a bit. We haven't even hit, 3 minutes? Yeah, we got the same amount of volume as yesterday. A little bit higher, actually. We got a little bit more volume coming in. Anyways. So I'm going to wait a bit to go through these prices on all these other stocks. I just threw a couple of them out there. GME is still holding in the green a bit, 0.46%. I'm just going to wait 20 minutes like I usually do, or else everything switches. It's just, it is what it is. You guys know that stuff. You guys have been on long enough. Thanks, Richard. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Oh, thanks, Jay. Thanks, man. So, yeah. It is what it is. I'm very, very excited about this position. So, it is what it is. But like I said, you guys are number one, though, too, right? It is what it is, right? Just going to read through your questions here, my friends. See if I missed anything. Okay, I'm sure that when all this blows up by the bet, they'll come out on some of Monopoly money. These guys will fix the market. Okay, good morning. We can see the price. Okay, I corrected that. Good morning. Good luck to everyone. Maybe the bag be with you. You guys are awesome. Did you take the job? JP, yeah, I did, man. I did. It's $150,000 a year starting wage with a cash bonus to come onto the team. And yeah, I did. I'm just answering JP's question. It's all good. No, you guys got me for. I'm in the squeeze, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere, man. I need this. I've been waiting since the beginning for this. Well, a month before the beginning. Like I think the beginning was in November, December when it actually started priming. But yeah, like I'm not going anywhere. So what this will do is I'll probably end up buying more shares, right? So it is what it is. I get bored sitting here every day doing nothing. You know that, guys? Like just sitting here on this and then going. It's just It's weird. You strive for this stuff. I remember when I was probably about 19 years old, 20 years, 2 years old. I was in the workforce for about 5, 6 years. 5, 6, 7, 8 years, 6, 7, 8 years, yeah, around there. And you're like, oh, I can't wait till I retire. I just hate this job. I hate working. And then you get off. It happens about 3, 4 years when you're off. 3, 4 years. Everything's good till then. And then you get everything done you need to do, right? And then you're sitting at home. Oh man, I don't have to. I can sleep in. All this good stuff, right? And then the price of shit starts going up. You notice it, right? You start noticing stuff going up. When you're working, you don't know. You do notice it, but you don't. You can always recover it, right? But when you're on a set income, and then something will go wrong, hot water tank or a furnace goes, you're looking at $4 or $5 grand, right? All of a sudden, boom, that happens 3 or 4 times, right? So then you're on a set income, so you notice a little thing, ching, ching, it goes down a little bit, right? And you're thinking, fuck, I still got like 35 years left, because nothing grows except like everything you invested in, you only get the same amount. You understand what I'm saying? So I can still make it, but it's just the quality of life, right? And that's of course the AMC squeeze. I cannot count on this squeeze. I don't look at it like that, right? If this happens, it's a bonus, right? I've always been like that. It is what it is. Nothing's 100%, right? I'm very bullish on this, and yes, I agree this is going to go, but it is what it is, right? There's no time frame. We don't know if it's going to be tomorrow, the next day, next week, right? So that's why I always tell you guys, don't put your life on hold for this. You got to continue going forward. You got to go meet with friends. You can't stay locked in a room watching the line, okay? It's not healthy. I've always been like that, to push you guys, and I only can do so much. So it is what it is, right? But yeah. But if you have any questions or anything like that, I can answer them in that. And so yeah, I get bored sitting at home, and you guys are like, fuck, I wish I could. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, Shiba coin is going down the last couple days, eh? I noticed that, or I said that about 3 days ago, that it was going to do a correction. They all do. It's going to go back up again, just so you guys know. Don't stress out. Okay? Every stock goes and does this. Everyone on the market. Okay, I'm going to answer some questions. Oh yeah, Ed, I think so for sure. I think you nailed that. Yep. I think there is. Yeah, it'll come up a bit. I think we do have a. I think we do. Are they still hiring? Actually, I'd be your boss. Yeah, they are actually. You'd have to have a work visa, bro, if you come up here, but they're actually short on workers. Shiva is my love right now. Right on. Then Gloria, don't worry, it'll go back up. Like, don't stress on that, okay? They'll all do their thing. There's a lot of people in on that. Like, look at the channel, how many people are in on that play, right? That just tells you, like, you just do a statistic of how many people are in on it, and divide that, and then look how many people are in the world, right? How many people across, at least Canada, the States, and the UK. We're pretty much all the same in the stocks, right? I don't know about the other countries because it's very vague about that stuff, but I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of people in it. Manjeet, good morning. I didn't see you up there, girl. Sorry, I'm going back, guys, into my thing here. That's the thing. Once this thing goes past, it goes. Michael, good morning. Bashar, good morning. Curdo, good morning. Yeah, I missed a bunch of views. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. I'm try to be diligent on that. No, I don't. I stay in a hotel room, man. What they got is they got camp. I'm actually what they do is that they got camps and stuff you stay in. So, but this I'm doing a local job for now, and then I'll be heading up there. I got stationed down here. That there's a project that they're doing close to. It's about I'll be driving in probably an hour and a half away from my house. It's working on a hydro dam. So there's a job that they want me to help finish up there, and then I'm gonna be going up there. But usually they do put you into a hotel room or it's a camp. What they do is just build their ACO trailers and they put a bunch of them together, and they'll have a cook there, all that stuff there, and then you usually have you'll have a room with a phone that's hooked to a satellite dish that you can go talk to your family on. They usually have satellite TV in there. It's pretty well set up. It's pretty boring though, but what do you do, right? I just bring my laptop with me and stuff, right? But I got the luxury of, because I was kind of praying for it, I had the option to do whatever, right? To go up there right away, because that job would probably be a year or two up there. They were thinking. The one down here is probably about 6 months. When they always say 6 months, it's always longer. You guys know that, right? So what the job down here is I'll be able to stay home, right? So that's what I'm saying. I'll be broadcasting out of my house, but it'll be earlier in the morning. I don't know the time exactly, my friends. I will get that for you. Of course, I'm going to tell you guys first. And on Sundays, I'll still be doing my meetings with you guys. And I did get one of your messages from Citizen. I will reschedule that time for you. I just got to look at my calendar. I did get that message from you this morning while I was looking through my emails. I'm just talking about all this stuff now, guys, because the market's doing nothing. We're stuck at the same shit right now. There's nothing interesting. I'm looking at everything's just stale. All at the same stuff. Even Tesla's at the same. 809 straight across the board. Nothing's doing anything today, my friends. Crypto's all in the negatives. Yeah, everything's at par. Sundial's up 1.40. Well, that did a big correction from this morning. It's still only 67 cents, but as you guys know, every little bit helps. Microvision's up 2.94, is at $9.80. BlackBerry's just at par right now. Air Canada's at par. The marijuana stocks are doing good right now. Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC, is $13.42, 2.21% in the green right now. There must be something going on with those stocks. Okay, come on. Whoops. Let's put this back on here, this side. Okay. I just want to post something from yesterday here. Can I have a look here, guys? I just want to look at a chart for a second here. We got a ways to go. There's our trend lines right there. Yeah, we're in that channel. It's just side trading. That's all we're doing. We're not gaining anything. We're pretty much not losing anything. Maybe losing a little bit. But we're just side action. Total side action for since the beginning of October. Pretty much, yeah, the beginning of October. Like the October 3rd, we've been side action for a week. So, like I said, that we're just stuck consolidating. That's all that is consolidation every day. Put that back on there for you guys. Is that big enough so you guys can see that? Yeah, that's big enough. Block is in the house. I'm still good with 6 p.m. your time Sunday. Oh, you are? Are you sure? Because you asked me to reschedule it, bro. I can. We got decriminalized. Where? Where's that? It's always been in the States? Because it's always been like that here. Because that's where Sundial's from, right? Is up here. But that would make a difference across everything, I guess. I thought it was always legal in the States. Illegal. All right, we need the federal... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, son. There's so many people on there now. I'd have to go back and... I know who it is now. Oh, in the States. Okay. That makes sense. Guys. Okay, Citizen, yeah. I just got to check. I got so many of you on there, which is good. I had to build a calendar last night. That's why you're getting all these notifications now from Google Calendar, is that there's so many members now that I got to keep track of them all on a spreadsheet, on like a calendar that does the thing. It does it for me. So yeah, I wanted to go do some stuff yesterday, and I stuck 3 hours on the computer after I got off with you guys. Which I don't mind. I just had to build a whole calendar spreadsheet with all the members on it. Man, holy crow. It's growing pretty big. There's going to be a lot of rich people rolling around, man, once this is done. Yeah, go, Manjeet, back to $50 would be nice. Is it? It's still a Schedule 1? Holy shit. What? Oh, man, that's serious shit. It's still a Schedule 1. Holy crap. That's insane. That's serious. That's still serious jail time for that man. We do need a green day. We do. So I want to have a look at the whole market here. The whole world economy's low. Everything's low today. It's all in the green, but very low. Yeah, the whole world's not trading that well today. There you guys go. So, it is what it is then. It's not just us. Jamal, good morning. I do get drug tested for my job. I do, for sure. Yes, if they find THC, you're fired. Yeah. Yep, they fire you. But like I said, I quit smoking it probably about 9 months ago now, before work, right? Remember I told you before I went back and did that excavator, that job there for 2 months, I had to quit, right? So I quit because of that, and then I just never went back again to smoking weed, right? Like that job was only what? It wasn't even 2 months. They said it was 2 months, but I think it was like 3 weeks or something like that. And that was another cash incentive job where they give you a fucking big whack of cash to go, and then you get a sign-on. That's a sign-on bonus, right? They never did that shit before. They can't find workers, guys. Like, it's insane. You can negotiate the amount of money you want to get, and it's cash. You get a big wad of cash when you show up, right in your hand, while you sign the paper. It's insane. I've never seen that before, ever. They're doing it at McDonald's. You got fired? What? It like getting fired for? Oh no, you guys, you can drink. You can drink. Not at work though. They breathalyze test you. That's crazy. You did. Some jobs are like that. They have dry camps. If you go, there's these camps that you can go to. They're called dry camps, right? No alcohol. If you get caught bringing alcohol in there, they search your bag and everything when you come in. Like if you work in the diamond mines, you go through scanners for stealing diamonds and shit. It's true, man. They scan your whole body. You walk through these scanners, and it scans you, and it looks for stuff if you're hiding anything on you. Scanned in and scanned on the way out every shift. I get Gloria. I get paranoid too. I never used to. Like my wife we're out camping, and then once here, I was like, oh, I'll take a hoot off that, right? So I take a blast off, like a couple blasts. I'm like, oh, fuck, this doesn't, it's not doing anything. All of a sudden, wham, it hit me. And I went to the bedroom, and I was watching TV in the bedroom, all like paranoid, looking out the window, thinking people were going to come get me. No, it wasn't that bad, but pretty close. So it's the weed's too good nowadays, guys. Especially the weed in Canada. It's fucking insane. Yeah, Gloria. Yeah, tell your story. Good morning, Mr. L. Tell your story, Gloria. We're not. Oh, I'll bring this back up for you guys. Sorry. So yeah, we're not doing anything. This is what I don't mind talking to you guys and just hanging out on days like this. We can, unless you guys want me to look at a stock or something. Today's just one of these days, right? There's nothing. It's all side action across the market. The whole fucking world's dead right now. Every stock market around the world is dead right now. It's just consolidating. Some stocks are up. I'm saying everything does its thing, but there's nothing that we're watching that we have investments in that is doing like going crazy, right? Too opposite of it, I think. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm reading your mails here, guys. I'm just checking something out here. Richard. Sorry, that's who it was on the email. Sorry, Richard. I'll reschedule that for you, my friend. I'll reschedule that. Good morning, Sophia. How you doing? How you doing this morning? Okay. Oh. Richard, right here, the 28th. 17, this month's flying by. Oh yeah, 5. Yeah. Shit. Okay. Doing great. I can't complain. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm doing good too. I have nothing to complain about either. Except it's freaking cold out this morning. Holy crow, is it cold outside. Winter's definitely, or fall's definitely here. I think it's going to be a cold winter, I can tell. I had to, this is the second morning I had to put the heat on this morning. Like, I've only been running my heater for, this is the second morning. I run it for about an hour in the morning to warm the house up, and then we're good. But, like, holy crow, it's insane. That screen's bright. Holy crap. Wow. I'm gonna have to do this later, guys. How do you send this down? Just hang on. I'm gonna try to make this less bright. Holy crap! I can't see. Damn, that's way too bright. Oh, hey, just give me a second here. I thought there was a thing to make your screen smaller here, or just give me a second, my friends. Settings. Okay, what that be? System, display, night, right here. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. Well, not really. Well, now it's all yellow. Damn, that sucks. Okay, how do you get this thing dark? Damn, that's bad. Now it's yellow. That, you know, that tint thing to take the blue out? Now it's even worse. I don't like that. Oh no. Okay, let's try this. Nah, I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. I will just take this off here then. There we go. It's probably echoing too, wasn't it? Be ghost, be ghost. Keep me alert and up. There you go. I'll take that stuff before I go to work, eh? What a lot of the guys do, it's called urine clean, right? It's a bottle of juice that you can buy it in the store. You can buy it right in the store down the road. I've never tried it, but because I don't need to, right? But I know some people I worked with do. They carry it on them right at work. So if they ever get called into the office to do a piss test, they just crack this thing on their way, and within 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, they just piss clean. So what they do is I have to go to the bathroom, and then fucking, it's all like, I just know because they're my friends, right? And not friends on this job, but on past jobs. So what they do is it's a little bottle, it's about this big. They slam it, and then they fill it up full of water and slam it again, and then they piss right away, and then the next time they have to go pee, it supposedly comes out clean. I don't know anything about it. I just heard about it. I'm like, are you kidding me? So it's weird, the stuff they got nowadays, right? And I guess it's not. And I'm like, that stuff's probably bad for you guys. And they're like, no, it's all organic and all that. I'm like, are you kidding me? So yeah, it's crazy stuff. I'm like, you kids are crazy kids nowadays. Okay. GME is at 1.05. Come on, AMC. Get the frig out of there. Yeah, guys, it's going to be... I don't know. These other stocks have gone down too. Those ones there, that Prodigy, the one that was ripping there, is down to 2% now. It was at like 10, 11% like just 20 minutes ago. Now it's collapsing. Same as CEI, Camber Energy, is collapsing too. It's down like half. So yeah, that would have been shitty, because fucking a lot of people probably put money in on that thinking, oh man, this one's going to rip today, and it's collapsed. They've lost already half their money. Well, half of their investment profits, not half their money. MMAT too is not doing good either. Weren't a bunch of you guys in on that? I got synthetic urine. That is awesome. That is so funny. That is hilarious. Synthetic urine. But anyways, do you know how many wolves I'm going to get on this new job site? I bet you half them will become wolves. You'll be seeing new people on here. Watch. It usually always happens. Like, I got my cards to hand out, right? I got all my wolf pack cards that I hand out to bring people into the market. Or if the people are in the market to come support us, right? Right on. That's awesome. Here, I'll support you guys the most I can do here. Here you guys go. Smoke away, my friends. Smoke away. I was supposed to come on here and get high with you guys one night. Remember that? I was supposed to come on here and smoke some doobies with you guys. I can't now, obviously. That's weird that we never got... Right on. Right on, Glock. Yeah. I know. And you called it, my friend. You called it. It is a repeat. Side action, man. Um, yeah, no, it probably is a good thing I didn't. I would have been fucked right now. Um, I'd have been drinking a bottle of that stuff. Actually, I don't know if I trust that stuff. Okay, edible brownie. That Gloria, that's hilarious. I had something like that too. They had these. It was still illegal in Canada. This was a while ago. This is when you know when you could get those medical licenses. Well, I had one, right, because of my neck, right. All the plates in my neck. I had a card from the doctor because I won't take opiates, right? I'm totally 100% against opiates, just because of all the opiate addictions and people dying from fentanyl, carfentanil, all that stuff. I'm just 100% against it because I've had friends of friends die from all this shit, and it's a big fucking problem up all across Canada. I don't know anywhere else in the world, but it's just, you always see it on the news. There's hundreds of people that die a day in our city from it. Okay, so and it just starts with a simple prescription from the doctor. I don't know that much about it, but and then it just goes into these full addictions within a couple of years. You're fucked. You're on the street, living on the street, and you're not doing all because of a doctor's prescription from somebody breaking their leg or neck surgery, and there's a whole bunch of factors to it, of course. But everybody, a lot of people say, no, it would never happen to me. And those are the people telling the stories. So I just didn't, I'm paranoid of that shit, right? So anyways, I needed something for the pain, right? They did give me those meds when I had my surgery, and I got mad at them when I was all feeling weird after my surgery. I'm like, what the fuck did you put me on? Oh, we put you on this medic. I'm not going to mention it on here, but you guys, good morning, Jan. How you doing? You guys can imagine what they put me on, right? And I lost my shit. I was going to sue the shit out of the hospital. I did not sign any fucking paperwork to put me on that shit, right? So anyways, when I got trying to get off of it, I was on it for about 3-4 days. Trying to get off of it, I was so sick. I felt depressed. Oh man, I never felt anything like that before. So anyways, I was only on it for like almost a week, but I can imagine these poor bastards that are on it for like months, and then they don't know what they're on. Like they do, but then they try getting off of it and they can't, right? So thank God that I caught that. I did research on what it was, right? Because the names they sound not that bad, right? Till you look at it and you find out, holy shit, this thing's a fucking opiate, right? So or they'll say it's not that bad, you need it, as long as you're off it within a couple weeks, you're good. Yeah, but anyways, so I went on to weed, right? They gave me this script for these edibles, right? So I went and got these things they were called goofballs, right? These little round little chocolate things, right? So the lady at the thing's like, oh, just start with one and then take two. Well, I'm like, oh, I used to be bigger. I was about 40 pounds heavier than I am now. I was muscle, right? I was working and I was a big boy, right? So I was thinking, oh man, it goes by body weight. I asked her, does it go? She goes, yeah, it goes by body weight. The bigger you are, the more you need, just like anything else, right? So I'm like, oh man, I'll just take two of these things. So I took one to begin with. I waited about 40 minutes, half an hour. I could feel it a little bit. I'm like, ah man, these things are bunk, right? So I took another one. Excuse me. And holy crap, I couldn't get off the couch. I wanted to move and I couldn't move. Have you ever guys been like that on edibles? And I've done it a couple times since then, and it was never the same, but because I've never taken as much. But I was stuck on the couch. I wanted to move. I tried getting up, and then the room was spinning so bad, like I felt like throwing up. I never did, but I did not like it. Holy crap. It would come in waves. You'd be high, and then it'd go away. And then you'd be high, and then it'd go away. It was weird. Can you relate to that? Did you ever have that experience, or is it just my metabolism? CBDs for body aches now. Yeah, that's my wife. Ever since she had cancer, That's what she takes. She takes those, but now she takes those micro doses with the mushroom stuff in them. I don't know. It's the new thing up here. It fights depression and that, and it actually works, right? A bunch of our friends are on it. Some that are manic depressive people, and they're actually out of their house doing things and all that stuff. It's the new thing, right? And it actually works because these people that I know they don't come out of their houses and stuff. They just stick in their house. They're just so depressed because the weather and just up here it's a little bit different than having sun all the time, right? And they were always like depressed and stuff. And these people are actually out camping and doing things I've never seen them do before. And all it is off of one of these little CBD, or I mean not CBD, but THC with magic. I think it's magic mushrooms. That's what it is. But it's called a microdose. You can't get high on it. You can eat the whole bag. So according to what they said, I've never done it, but I've done it in the past. But of course, I've done mushrooms. Everybody's done mushrooms, but I haven't done those since I was a kid. But yeah, they just take one a day, I guess. You don't even feel it, but I guess it does something to your brain or something. I don't know. You guys probably know more about it than I do. I just grew some mushrooms. But mushrooms you can buy in Canada. You can buy mushroom kits and get them sent right to your house. Magic mushrooms. They're not illegal to grow here and take. You're allowed to, but you can't sell them. That's the only thing. You can't grow them and sell them. It's highly illegal. But you're allowed to sell them. You can order them right on the internet. There's places right that you can buy the whole kit shipped to your house. True story. True story. Three times a week works best for Mike. Oh, you know about that stuff, Warren, then. You know, it's true, right? I've had people say, no, man, you're full of shit. I'm like, okay, then, whatever. If you're depressed, you'll try anything, right? I get depressed once in a while, but not as much as I used to when I was younger. Most depression's over money, I've noticed, right? A lot of it is over money and a lot of contributing factors, but that's usually the core of it. I noticed that if you're not stressed about your finances or a place to live, just all the little contributing factors off of it, of the core, that you could pretty much accomplish anything else. Like if you have a good place to live, you're getting up on a schedule, eating on a schedule, you're grounded in those four areas, that everything else you can manage. But if you don't have that, it's like flying like from check to check, night to day. It's very stressful on the human mind. I've found, maybe it's just me, but yeah, I just it is what it is, right? So yeah, so guys, we need this hurry up and squeeze, right? But it is what it is. Jay, what's up? What's up, brother? How you doing? Oh, that's a beautiful picture. I love that. Where's your avatar? That's beautiful. I can just, because it's so small, but where is that? Is that like California Beach or something, my friend? Johnny, right on, brother. How you doing too? Right on. I haven't seen you in a while, man. Well, you were on here the other day, 2 days ago. Is it costing you money? AMC is costing me. Did you buy Florida Beach? Oh fuck, that's beautiful, bro. That's beautiful. Joker's dad, good morning. What do you mean costing you? Did you take a loan out, my friend? No, that don't have to answer that. That's private information. Sorry, I that's up to you to answer that stuff. I don't like asking those. I sometimes slip just because you're friends and stuff, and I forget that we're broadcasting around the world right now, right? So anybody in the world can log on to YouTube, right? So damn. The fuck is. Sorry, I was just watching this right here. Yeah, everything. You guys, yeah, we are just. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 You had me stressed out for you. Cryptos, what's up? What's up, brother? Oh, okay, Warren. That makes sense, though. I've heard there's so much data on that stuff right now. And it's cheap, man. It's so cheap to do. I think a mushroom kit, what was it, a couple $100 I think it is for like, and you can, I guess the spores you can grow multiple ones. So I've never done it, but yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. We're gonna all have PTSD. What do you? I'm saying it wrong. PTSD after this AMC thing and GME thing. We're gonna all have it. It's so stressful. It's so stressful on all of you guys too. It's stressful on me too, of course, right? But like I said, that I've been in close to the beginning of this, so I've found a kind of a groove of disappointment with the stock, right? It sucks totally. I had to talk about it with my wife this morning before she was up. Actually, this morning before I came on, and we were talking about it. What she wants me to sell it and stuff. So we had a little talk, and yeah. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Now that I'm going to do another thing, I got my little gig now on the side. Her opinions have changed a little bit, but this is my thing, not hers, right? She's very supportive on this stuff, so this is a bonus, right? Like this isn't part of my fucking life. Well, it is, but it's not. This isn't my retire. You guys have got. This would benefit you guys more. They would help me. I'm saying, but I'm just saying I'd rather it for you guys because you guys are, you can pay houses off, all that stuff. Like you got more. I was more. Everybody's different. I shouldn't say that. It will help me. It's just more for my kids down the road and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's more of that kind of a way, the more than hands-on. I guess it'll help me more travel more and stuff like that. But I've always been self-sustained, right? I don't know. Like I have my shitty days and shit goes sideways, of course. I have more shitty days than good days sometimes, right? But it is stressful. Good morning. Good morning, Free. Have a trip out party in Las Vegas. Oh, that ultimate. Good morning. Barbara, good morning. Oh, I missed a bunch of people here. It is aggravating. Yes, Barb. Yes. It so is. It so is, guys. It's monotonous. Like it's just the same shit. And I'm positive on this. I'm not. It is what it is, right? I'm just feeling the same way you guys are. I'm just being honest about it, right? It's just one of those things. It's just what is really shitty is that instead of going up a couple percent a day like we were, that was shitty because it was like, oh man. But going down like 1% to 1%, it's like nickeling and diming you down, right? The worst to do is look at your bank account and watching it go down. That's the worst. I only do that weekly now. I used to do it almost every day, but it's disheartening. Especially when you had over $100 and some odd $1,000 in there on just AMC when it was up high, and now it's like down to like nothing hardly, like literally half, pretty much half. That's a lot of loss, especially when you're Canadian funds, because that's 30% more I get for the stock than American, right? You guys, American money, you get what you get, right? With Canadian funds, I paid 30% more for that stock than you guys did in the States. But when I cash out, I get 30% more. Does that make, you guys know that, right? So the other way around, it looks worse until you get the recovery, right? It is what it is. So yeah, it's shitty. It is. But when we have our good day and this goes crazy, you'll forget about all that stuff, right? Because I remember the mood I was in when it was at the $70 mark on the way up. I was so happy. I was, what was I doing? What the fuck was I doing? I think I was running a loader down at the pipeline for Trans Mountain. I think I was. Yeah, that's right. I was on the bus on the way there because we take a bus for the job site is so high security because of people picketing and trying to block the pipeline, that they take a bus into the job site. It's 15-minute bus ride into the job site. All the workers get on these shuttle buses, and they take shuttle buses in. And I remember looking at it, I was like dancing around in the back of the bus. But there's a bunch of us. And it was funny. I remember that. I know. Yeah. I know, guys, that I know I just bought it. What was it? 40. Fuck, I can't even remember these prices because it goes up all over the place all the time. I bought it $8 and some change, $14 and some change, and then I bought $40, wasn't it? Or $39. $40 or was it $49? You guys know, because $40 it was. Yes, we all wanted to go to $40 that day. That's what it was. Yes, I bought it $40, and now down. Yeah, it is. It sucks ass. Okay, I want to read. Oh, I'm missing something. I try not to check it on a daily. Yeah, Barbara, I wouldn't. It's not healthy. It does. Yeah, Barbara, yeah, I agree with you on that. We were talking about that the other day. You're shooting a little bit. You're a little bit longer than what I was hoping that it wouldn't be, but it can. That's what I'm saying. I usually, like I was trying to explain, just because try to be transparent and very honest with everybody on here. And I like it when I'm wrong in that aspect. Like if I say something's going to take this long and it happens in half the time, is a friggin' bonus. But I try to explaining that pretty much every, if you even look into it, 90%, probably 95% of all short squeezes, we're talking about a short squeeze, right? With stocks being shorted volume, right? So they usually take about a year to prime and to get ready. It's like it's planned, like it is, right? It's a planned event, and it has to have a whole bunch of things line up. Without people screwing with us, like without the dark pool stuff, it takes that long. But we have all these fucking bullshit things going on that totally screws us, and that's what I was trying to explain. And we haven't hit around our year until like January or February, right? January. Well, actually, it happened about November, December, but that I think that's when it first happened. But that doesn't really count because the majority of the volume came in January and February was when we had that all volume. We were up to like 100 fucking, what was it, 700 that one day, 700 million shares were sold a day at one time. 700 million. I remember looking at the screen. I was like, what the hell? Right? So it was insane. It was insane. There was like 2 or 3 days of that. And then the rest was like a couple hundred. Yeah, it was insane. It was insane. I never seen numbers on a thing go like that. And it was like something like 70% of the 60% of the stock was overturned. And then now it's just down. But here and there, that's not our fault at all because of the dark pool stuff, right? I don't know what the hell they were doing back then. If they were doing that or what, nobody knows, right? They were diverting it other ways, and then those avenues got shut down. There's so much shit's gone on that nobody really knows. So I hope for God that it's sooner than that. But I've been hearing a lot of stuff from friends of mine, like not stuff on YouTube, that they said it's going to be next year. But then there's also the aspect that, the government wants it to squeeze, but the government can't force a squeeze. Like nobody can force it. It has to have all the things line up, right? And the shorts have to cover. So, and they have to, that's the only way it will happen is if they start covering. I did read something. One of you guys said that some people started covering. Yes, they did. I heard that too. Yeah, that's true, Glock. It's bullshit. It is. It is. My friend bought 4,000 at $40. Curse me every. Benji, I wouldn't worry about that. That's not your fault. It's gonna go. It'll go back up, right? We all know that. She's not gonna be bitching at you when it goes up and it's in the hundreds of dollars a share, is she? Right? $40. Holy shit, that's a lot of money. But yeah, I know. Ultimate, yeah, they did. There's a couple hedge funds that have covered. There's some in the UK, and there's small ones that won't do anything to us, and they're so small that it doesn't matter. It doesn't do anything. And I just gotta. It was on Google. I'll show you. It was right on the news hour. I forget was it's a smaller one, but it doesn't do anything to us. It doesn't affect us at all. There you go, Manjeet. It will. It will. I'll find the thing on Google. It was it doesn't affect us, but they came on Google and they announced that they closed their positions, and they can't come on there and lie about that stuff. It doesn't do anything to us, guys. They're so small that I think they own like a couple 100,000. It is nothing. It wouldn't even do anything to us. You have to think by the amount that they shorted this more this week, it doesn't even the math doesn't even make it doesn't even out. Okay. There's one in the States and one in the UK. The one in the UK, one of you guys told me about on here, and it was about 3 weeks ago. I just read this yesterday. And I looked into it, and they were so small. What they own is it doesn't do anything. It's nothing. But I don't know how they covered when there's no shares available. So I don't know. They probably took a huge hit. Like they didn't cover in a good way. Trust me that. I can guarantee that. They just paid it out. That's all they did. Here, I'll find it. Which hedge funds in the States covered their positions in AMC? Spark? I don't know what the hell is pronounced. Sparks? Sorry guys, I'm just looking for this for you. It's irrelevant anyways. It doesn't mean anything really. The main ones is Marvin Capital. Those are the ones that are going to that have shorted the shit out of this, those are the ones that are going to boost the shit out of this. Okay, those are the big ones. Those guys have not covered at all. We know that for a fact. Like, that's what I'm seeing right here on this one right here. Okay, Manjeet. Ha. Bought 10 shares. Has been. Okay, my niece bought 10 shares. She has been complaining this morning she sold. Wow. Yeah, there you go. Sanjay has it. That's one that covered. Yeah, that's one that covered a couple weeks ago. I looked. He's 100% right on that. And there's one in the States that just covered like 3 days ago. But it's so small, it doesn't do anything. And what they did when they covered, they took the hit. They just paid the money out. They didn't cover the position. They did cover the position, but they just paid the fine. They just paid it. They bought themselves out of it. They said, fuck this, take the money, there you go. The other hedge funds won't do that. They will try to buy the positions out, like the other way, which will cause it. It's so much that they own. Like, do you guys understand? This is like such a small factor. It's like us. It's like all of us on the channel selling our shares. You wouldn't even see a drop in the market, right? That it's such small peanuts, right? Yeah. Like, there's so many people in on this. It's insane. I just want to curse him. Curse who, man? Cheat. Where are you going off on this morning? Yeah. Oh, I know who you're talking about, Manjeet. I went back. Okay, I got it, girl. I got it. He calculated at 5,000. He calculated at 5,000 a share. Okay. At 20,000 a share. Yeah, he calculated at 20,000 a share, Manjeet. I hope it goes that high. That'd be awesome for everyone. That's right, Ultimate. Yep, we do. That's right. And Cam, my friend, he blocked. What? Cam, my friend, he blocked me. Me? No, not me. Cam. Oh, okay, I read that wrong. I thought you wanted me. I'm like, I would never block you guys, man. Cam, my friend, he blocked me. He blocked you, but you... Didn't you help him buy shares, Manjeet, into this? Is that who you're talking about? I was going... Because I have a whole bunch of messages coming after you. I'll go back up to your message here. I just want to make it clear. Who blocked you, girl? The person that you got told to help to get the shares? and then he got mad because it went down this low and blocked you. Obviously, he's not doing the research on the product that we have. That's not fair. That's not cool. You're such a good person. Okay. I told him about AMC and didn't tell him that. Oh, that's not your fault. That's not your fault. As long as you didn't buy it for him with his phone, then you're good. Yeah, with 4,000 shares, he's going to be happy as hell. I wouldn't even worry about that. After but yeah, but you were very honest because you're an honest person. I know you told him that you don't know when this is going to squeeze, right? That's the thing that a lot of people assume, that when you get in this position that it's going to squeeze in the next month or a couple weeks to a month. It's just that it's not the case, right? I definitely thought that it was going to do it within 6 months, 5 to 6 months after I bought it, for sure, 100%. But then I did my own research on the situation, and then I realized that a whole bunch of things have to be line up. That it's not just a couple things, and it is what it is, right? It is what it is. So I know some of you bought in a higher, some of you bought around the $60, $70 range because it went up that high. There will be people that own that high. When it does go up back up to that, that's when you have to make a decision, right? What you're going to do, because you're going to only have one more shot at this. When it goes back to that range again, right? It's going to probably go higher, but I'm saying when it goes to that range, you need to make a decision, okay? To pull out of your position or to keep, because once it goes back, it's going to fluctuate. We all know that, right? But once it does its thing and goes back down, the stock's only worth what it is, okay? That's what I'm saying. You only have one shot at this. That's why you guys are all good. I'm not even worried about you. The ones that are on the channel, you guys are freaking solid, man. You guys have all your strategies. You guys have been doing your math, and you guys know what you have, right? I don't have all the answers for you, and I try not to speculate and send you that information because it does damage, right? And I want this to squeeze just from the next guy. It's just I'm not Matt here, okay? I'm not making $500,000 off of super chats here, and wanting this thing to drag on for the next 20 years, okay? Because I'm not in that situation. Even if I was, I wouldn't. That's a weird way of thinking, but I don't know if he thinks like that. But it's just weird that that's what he portrays as. We are in such a time of crunch for money with the economy. Yeah, that's true, Glock. Yeah, there's a lot of things happening right now. Like I said, things are getting really expensive. Like, holy shit. The price of food, right? Whatever you guys pay in the States for food, it's a quarter more up here, okay? It's everything gets shipped from down there up here, and then we pay duties on it all, right? I'm not complaining. Life is life, okay? But I needed to make a decision, okay? I didn't want to go back to work, right? But I had to make a decision for my family, okay? I don't need to financially, but in the next 20 years, I did not know that it was going to adjust. The economy was going to go like this, that fast, okay? It's very concerning that in the next 20 to 25 years, what the fuck is it going to be for the price of fucking food and shit, okay? My strata fees have gone up in the building. Hydro's gone up. Everything, my insurance has gone up like 10%, okay, in the last fucking 5 years. Everything's gone up. everything. The price of fuel is a fortune. So I had to sit down and crunch some numbers, and it is what it is, right? It is what it is. So at least I got to experience doing that, so I can educate other people that are going to do that. The same thing that I did was pull the pin early to help educate and say, hey, do you have this set aside for this? You have to do an inflation graph. You have to do it. And I did it before, but I was way off. I did not know. We didn't know that there was going to be the COVID shit go on. Well, that just expedited us 30 years faster in with the way things went whoop like this. Like, look at the price of lumber, guys. Like, to just anything. Like, it is fucked, right? Up here, there's a lot of people scared shitless that they'll never be able to retire. They even upped their retirement from 60 to 65 now. The government changed everything, okay? What about this Freedom 55 shit is out the window now, right? Like, it's messed up. So, like, I had to do a calculation to recalibrate, right? I don't want to be this old guy, 80 years old, if I live that long. But I'm saying, like, if I do, I got to plan for that, right? And if I die sooner, well, then the kids get it. But the thing is I don't want to be 80 years old and living off my old age pension, and I can't afford anything, right? And just barely living like that. I don't want that. So it is very scary, and I can't, even though exact wages. Yes, the wages have not gone up, man, at all. I'm just lucky that I've gone to school for like 8 years of my life, right? Like, I've done enough schooling to be a lawyer if I took that avenue. But like all the tickets I got are insane, right? Like, fuck, insane. I'll show you guys something. These are half of my tickets. There's 1, 2. This is my operator's ticket, welding ticket, operator's ticket, operator's ticket. I'll just go through them. Look at them all. These are all my qualifications. Isn't that fucking nuts? These are all first aid tickets. And that's just there's more. There's another one. That's women's ticket, if you guys know what that is. Dangerous good ticket. And that's without all my other stuff. I got plaques, shit all over that. That is the only way you can get a good wage nowadays. And it costs a fortune. Those tickets cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, right? And you spend half your life in school, and if you don't take the right career, you're screwed, right? You're pretty much getting minimum wage. Like, it's fucked up, man. The whole system's screwed right now. So it is what it is, right? And I spent a quarter of my life in school, and I hate school. I hate it. Yeah, but Manjeet, when people like do it when they come in, it's gonna go into the positive for him, and I bet you he doesn't have the balls to contact you and thank you, though. I can already tell what type of person that person is. Don't expect anything, okay? I'm overeducated. Hey, I know the feeling. I know the feeling. I'm in a lot of the same ways. Half the jobs here, I apply for it and they just laugh. They won't hire me. They won't hire me because of the I'm overeducated for the job, because it's what is it? People feel inferior to me on the job site when you know too much, and it just not that I know everything. I don't, but in my field I do, right? with it welding and stuff like that. It's messed up, man. So that's why I have to do like a kind of a supervisor position, and this company wants within 2 years I'll be the superintendent of this company. Okay, they're already planning it, and I haven't even worked for them yet. They already have this fucking plan. So it's up to them what they do. But yeah, Manjeet, I wouldn't worry about it, girl. It is what it is. Those type of people. I run into those type of people all the time. I know what it's like to do things for people and not get thanked. I get it every day. Not from you guys, but trust me. I know what it's like. Not from you guys. I want to be very clear on that. Stained glass artist. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's neat. That's neat. That's cool. Lena, where are you from again? You're from back east, aren't you? I'm just trying to throw some positive stuff out there, guys. It is what it is. I'm just going to look at our screener here. Fuck, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed, guys. There's no sense in going through anything. I'm not trying to be Mr. Negative here, but yeah, it is what it is. You're a good person. You bought the dip. Good, David. Good. There's nothing else you can do with this. There's nothing else you guys can do. We're just sitting here, we'll just hang out in the mornings, and they came to Canada pre-COVID. Okay. I'm Italian. Okay. I came to Canada pre-COVID, but couldn't leave. So you're stuck here now? Did they give you your citizenship? Your visa? That must be hard because, or you're not allowed to work here. Because sometimes the government are assholes in Canada. They won't let you fucking work. Yeah, it's fucked up, man. Right on. Oh, you got a visa. Yes, yes, yes. You got the visa. You're gold. You are golden. Good. It's so hard to get a visa in Canada. I heard. I don't know. I was born here, right? I know. Man. Sanjay, you rocked that wolf out good, man. I'm not used to seeing it beside your name. Right on. Right on. You guys are good. Oh, man, he is I can already tell. He'll sell when he makes 42 and he'll think he did good. And then it's going to go, who knows the limit, whatever it's going to be. It's going to go high, right? He's going to go, holy shit, I'm an idiot. And you're going to go, yep, you are. You already proved that. The price is moving. Yeah, I know, a little bit, eh? It'd be nice to just get it par today. Oh, fuck. Wow. Fucking assholes. This is that psychological thing they're pulling, eh? Just so you know, it's... That's right, Jay. You nailed it, my friend. That's right. Yep. That's right. They are trying everything to screw us over. But I think that it's not working. It's not working at all. Not working at all. Somebody else, I forget. What the hell? I read something the other day. I read something that came out on Google. The other day about them predicting that AMC is going to be a very good play. We already know that, but it's just more. It's good when news comes out like that because usually it's negative shit. It was a bunch of people that bought in. They just bought in lately, and it wasn't movie stars or anything like that. It was just ordinary people, but it was people that bought in and that were predicting this that this is going to be one of the best plays ever. And they were saying that this stock is very cheap right now, that you're not going to get it at these prices ever again. So they're calling these prices these prices are rock bottom prices, that you will never get this stock this cheap again. So that was just a prediction. That was just one of those blog feeds, but it was nice seeing some positive news on AMC. I haven't seen any in a long time, especially off a news feed, right? Usually it's all negative shit because it's all bought and paid for, right? Okay, I'm just going to have a look here. GameStop's up 2.14%, my friends, right now. It's going for a run here a little bit. A little bit of a run. Let's see. 179.65, 2.11 in the green. Their volume's not bad actually for GME. Okay, we're at 370 right now, and we're only like 7:48 a.m. Okay, Pacific Standard Time, of course, which is not bad actually. Okay, it's not 100% good, but they've got some volume, right? As we know, this stock usually trades nothing. It's just because of the price, right? So this number rate, oh, it's going back down again. Shit. I was going to say that this number could pull us up to par. It'd be nice to close and not lose anything today, right? So what was it when it opened? What was the market open when we opened? That's right, Elaine. Yeah, they will. That if they drop the price, that's what happens. They drop the price lower and people load up. It's the opposite thing that what happens with every other stock. Usually when it starts dropping, people start selling on other shit, right? They get scared and they get FOMO, the other type of FOMO, right? The fear of it selling off and losing all your money. That's what they're getting, right? So what happens was that one's up 4%. What the hell's going on here with this chart again? There we go. I don't see. So I'm going to do a pullback here again, guys. Fuck, there's a lot of red. I'm going to go back and show you guys something here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what we dealt with in what I dealt with, what I had to go through. It was over 50 days or 40 days of red. We were losing money every day. Okay, we're nowhere near that. I'm going to show you guys something here. That's too far. I'm going to pull this down a bit here. Fuck. think these were it right here. December. No, it was in January. Oh, yeah, it's still in December. December. There it is right there. That was a full month. A full month of red. Look at that. A full month. Look at that. How much it dropped. That was from the 24th to the 24th. Red every fucking day. Oh, fuck. I have to go all the way back there again. It was something like 40 or 50 days of red. It was bad. But it was dropping like 5-10% a day. It was scary as hell. And it was, what the hell was this? Oh, yeah. This was it, too. This was another one that was bad. When it went up, that was it. This is the one where I bought in. I bought in at $14 here. I'm just reading you guys' messages there. This was it. This is the one that I fucking hated. This is the one when I bought. It went up. And I bought this on the way down. And I was like, oh, I screwed myself. I bought in at the $14 range. Right in here. Fuck. What fucking day is this? Fuck. I don't like these charts when you're trying to do some work back on it. What the fuck is going on here now? Oh yeah, here it is right here. Yeah, I remember this. Fuck yeah, it was so bad, man. Yeah, this is where it was bad. And this was, this whole collapse down from here, from this $41 range was like red, like fuck, man. It never ended. It never ended. It was red, 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 red. But we were losing major money. Major money. It was drawing $2-3 a day. It was just bleeding the shit out of it. And it went way down to like $30 or $33. We're almost there again. And then all of a sudden it went boom and it fucking took off to 41 or $40. And then it did it again. So yeah, it showed there's cycles that it runs in. Definitely cycles, right? But Straight Citizen, yeah, it's still, that's what they're telling about. They were talking about this plays up over $1,000 still. And in looking at stocks, that is a very bullish sign across the market. We're very into it. We're very into this stock. So for us, we're very in tune with it, and that we're that doesn't mean that much to us, okay? Because they're talking back when it was like $2-3, it's gone up that much. We've all got different positions in it, so the percentage is different. I'm probably, not counting the shares I bought last week, I would say that's just taking that up my position, not lowered my position, okay? Because I bought at a higher number, it pulled my number up, but I have more shares, so it actually evens out. Right, it doesn't matter. So take that off the table, that amount of shares. But the ones that I bought before, the real shares, not the synthetics, would be up double. $14. There was 8, 14. 14 is 28. So still 300. 1, 2, 200%. I'm still about 400% ahead, okay, on my money. About 300% to be safe. But not, and 15, some people are up lots, right? And some people aren't. So sorry, I got sidetracked. I was reading your guys' comments. I always like to see how your guys' minds are working, right? I just like to see how you guys are internalizing all what's happening on the market and how you guys are dealing with it, and just watching to see you guys, and just how you guys think, like how your thought patterns are on this, and you guys got this. The way you guys think and stuff is pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Like, you guys are very positive. Yeah, Citizen C. That's it. Like, even if you're up like a little bit, I know some people are at the top with it. It is what it is. You will have your day, but if you're up 100% on your money, it's a fucking slam dunk, right? There's not many places that will return your money at 100%. Okay, if you go to the bank and put your money in a year, you can maybe make 5%, right? You guys know that, right? And that's good, getting 5% on your money, 6%, because what the economy is fucked right now, right? So if you put it in a high interest account, you can make yourself 5%, and that's classed as freaking good money, right? What's a loan? Well, I only can speak for Canada. A loan mortgage on a house is the lowest it's been. Well, it's gone up a little bit now, but overall, it's the lowest it's been in probably 20 years, right? I think it's at like 2% or something like that on your money. So if you borrow $100,000, you pay $200 a month interest, which is nothing, right? I think I took a loan out of my house 5 years ago. Like I said, I just paid it off 7 months ago now, I guess it would be, right? 7 months ago. And it was 3.75? Fuck, I can't even remember. Say 300. So 300, right? So I took out $180,000, right, for my place. Plus I put cash down, 25%, right? So, and I got the house at almost half price, right? So it's worth almost $400,000 in like a couple of years, right? It's crazy the price of friggin' houses now. But yeah, so I was just trying to think. Yeah, it was about 3 point something percent on our mortgage. And you have to, the good thing is you can go to multiple banks. Like, say loans in a bank, you can go in high interest, low interest, medium interest, right? Some give you 2%, some give you 1%, some give you 5%, some will give you 6%. Depends on what you lock in at. You can lock in for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 10 year, which is bad. Okay, the 10-year ones are high interest, but you're locked in. If you take that out, you get slammed on the friggin' penalties, right? It's right there's it's crazy what you get yourself into. But everything's low right now, right? But yeah, a lot of people aren't taking loans out like that. Not loans, but I'm taking where you can lend them your money. You know what I mean? Like mutual funds or high interest not loans, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say, where you lend them the money and they pay you 5-6%, right? I think it's right now. I can Google it right now. It just did a correction, actually. What percent does the bank pay if you borrow or if you lend them money on a loan? What percent does the bank give you if you lend them money on a... Yep, 5%. Up to 5%, 6%, depends on what you lend, the duration of the loan, or not loan, the lending. You're the bank then. And to borrow money, they're saying 3% is a good interest rate. Okay, so it's an excellent mortgage rate. This is in Canada, guys. This is strictly Canada. Okay. What's the interest rate on a vehicle? 3.96 average in Canada, okay? On a 72 month. It also goes on your when you're borrowing a loan on your credit score too. You guys know that, right? But not when you're giving them money for interest money. Crazy. Angie, that would be the best way to do it. You could, Citizen. You could. My trucks. Are you talking? I don't know. Are you talking about me? Mine's only a half ton, bud. Right. But you could make money on a side hustle. There's a lot of good side hustles out there, right? Especially with snow removal and shit like that. Yeah, that's good, Jason. That's a good way to look at it. Everybody's in their different situations and stuff. Citizen, that's exactly what I just did, a side hustle. That's what I'm doing, is a side hustle, right? Because I have this on the back burner, right? And then I have you guys too, right? But that's not money. I'm just talking in general, like, you guys are part of my AMC thing. I classed you all as one, right? But yeah, I had to do something. Yeah, good for you guys, man. I will be too as soon as my it takes 3 weeks to get paid, right? Every paycheck I'll be putting money in. You guys will be watching me buy shares every Friday, every second Friday. Oh, that's shitty. That's shitty, buddy, if you're taking care of your mom and running money. Oh, man. I feel for you, my friend. I think everybody's noticing that. I, of all people, never thought that would happen, okay? It's called nickeling and diming you. The economy is nickeling and diming everybody with the price of stuff going up. And if you notice one, like, for instance, we'll just use this as an example. Netflix is a cheap way to go, right? It went up a couple dollars here. Okay, well, that's not much, right? Everybody's like, oh, fuck, that's nothing. But everything goes up a couple dollars. That's $36 a year, okay? You only have a lot of people only have a set income, okay? Especially if you're on like a pension or disability or something from the government, or you're on a set wage that's locked in, okay? You're set, right? You're on a set. Everything's set. Things don't adjust to what the bills go up to, right? It's not on a a flex income where it can adjust, right? A lot of people aren't on like that. I'm not on that, right? So what happens is you get a little bit, the food goes up, you're used to this, and then something goes sideways. Like things will always wear out, like your vehicle, something will go wrong, right? So it's especially with this virus, it's controlling us to some degree. And yeah, it's shitty, and I feel for all of you 100%. I know it's affecting everybody. I know that, guys, because I can feel it, right? I can feel it for sure. But I just want to say one thing. A lot of people don't have a play in their back pocket like this, okay? We're very, very privileged to have this. Just so you guys know, other people don't have anything to look forward to, okay? They might be looking forward to an inheritance when somebody passes away. And of course, they're not praying for that. But that's what people plan. Oh, like I'll pay my house off when my father passed. People just plan that stuff. They're not hoping that person would die, but that's their move, right? But we don't need that. We have this, right? We're actually privileged enough to be able to have the funds to be able to purchase this, right? And to know and have the knowledge to know that what this could potentially do for us, okay? There's a lot of people that if you look at the population of Canada and the States and the UK, we're peanuts that are involved in this, okay? So we were smart enough to come across this. We stumbled across this, okay? I did. Like I said, told you my story. My son told me about this, okay? He cashed out a long time ago. He paid his car off, which is good for him. Damn rights. I'm proud of him, right? He did a good play. He's just starting out in this world, right? He's just got his first job. He's been there for a while. He's now a boss at his job. He's a supervisor, right? He's still young. And he paid his car off with it and bought a new car and paid it off within, like, I think a month and a half from this stock. He told me he said this thing's not going to do whatever, right? He just had his own opinion, but that was back then. We are more advanced in this now. This was back in January, right? We did not know this was all going to happen like this back then. It wasn't set up really for a squeeze. It was just talked about, right? It was GME that was the main one, right? So we were just looking into this one to make like 100 or 2% profit and just dump it. Nobody knew this was going to actually go into what this is, right? Back then, it was still talk. It was still priming itself. It was still, they were just talking, getting the numbers were coming in, all that stuff. This AMC was in bankruptcy, almost protection then, okay? If you remember back, if you were part of this, then you would know about it. If you weren't, then there wasn't that much news out on it. If you were part of it, you knew what was going on. If you weren't really part of it, you didn't know, okay? GME was the main thing back then. AMC was in the shadows still. So the only reason why I could get into it, GME, but it was too expensive. It was like $300 and some odd back then, right? It was $380 when I looked at it, $360 or something like that. That was ridiculous, right? And I'm glad I didn't get it, actually, because I would have been. It's been sitting at that number, right? And I know other people that own it. That's just my opinion. I'm happy to be in AMC, right? I couldn't afford GME, and if you could afford it, that's awesome, right? It is what it is, right? It's just that I'm glad I'm in AMC because I've been able to add to that position because the shares are cheaper. It is what it is, right? I know some of you are on GME and that you got really cheap. That's awesome, right? So obviously you got some good plays there and you know what to do with that. You're doing the same thing as us, just waiting for the cream of the crop, right? And that's smart. I just wanted to tell you guys that I stumbled across it from my son, right? And or else I would know nothing about this. So when this does this, even though he's cashed his position out, he cashed out in January, right? When it went up a little bit. And I'm really proud of him. He made some good money, right? He paid his car off. Now he's really ahead, right? So it's awesome. He got a free car out of it. So that benefited him. He does not have the money like I do. So he will once I die. I have lots of money, but he'll end up with everything. But here and there, he works very hard for him. Look at this push, guys. Look at this. We're par now. We're making some money. Jason is cheap right now. Yeah. Oh, come on. I just wanted to just go. It'd be nice just to go par today. That's what I say. It sucks losing money, but when it's par, it's not as bad. Okay, you guys know that, right? Like, I'm okay. That's why I said I'm okay with it when as long as it's in the green. If it can shut down right now and just have a fresh day tomorrow, it's all good. But I can't predict it, right? Like, there's no way I predict, especially this early. GME is up 3% right now, guys. Oh, it was 2.84. It's at $180.82 right now. Splendid. Sanjay, I'm back. There you go. You brought some green with you, my friend. Oh, there we go. It pushed right off the screen here. I like to see that. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. There we go. Punch that line. Fucking right through it like nothing. It's going to be hard to get through there, though. We did it. Come on, hold that line. Fuck. We need 2 candlesticks over. Come on. I'm just trying to get through that line there. Damn it. Fuck. That's, yeah, it's going to have problems. Might have to punch that line a couple times before we hold through it. Come on, reversal. Pull a reversal on us. It's down pretty low for a reversal, though. Somebody put a big order in there. We're still in the 11 million, and it's like 8:13 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Damn, that's low. And only not all that volume's going in the market either. It's diverted. Well, it is, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh, well. Yep, dark pool. No shit. Did you guys want me to look up any other stocks or anything, my friends? Oh, GME is $33.27 right now. Or 3.27% right now. Not $3. $181.34. It's going up quite a bit. Let's have a look here. They got a little bit more volume than last time. That pumped up. Somebody put a big orders in there or something happened. That jumped up quite a bit. Still slow as hell, though. Fucking bullshit, man. Crypto's back down again, eh? Fucking ADA is at $2.12. Fuck, that went down quite a bit. Holy shit, crypto's back down again. Hey, look at BB's just hammering right now. It's at almost 6%. BlackBerry. Wow. 7.55% BlackBerry's at right now. It went up in the last like half an hour. Holy crap. That's pretty good for BlackBerry, man. That's pretty good. Damn. That's a pretty good increase, man. Good, good, good. Awesome. Awesome stuff. What else is going up? What else is happening here, guys? Oops, wrong one. I keep on clicking that. What else is doing good here? It's the only ones that are doing good. Who owns BlackBerry on here? Yeah, yeah, I just looked at that one earlier. It's not doing that bad. It was doing better before, though. Let's have a look here. What the fuck is it? Damn it! Why do I keep on doing that? Just don't know what. Okay, where is it? I was looking at that sundial. Sundial's 66 cents right now. It's not doing that good. It's not doing good at all, actually. It was, though, a couple days ago. Fuck, it was up to 70 cents. It seems to do that. Goes up to 70, 71, back down. 71. It's going to have its day, though. It will have its day. I guarantee that one on that. There's too many people in on it for it not to. Where's that B? Fuck, I had it on here. What the hell's going on with this shit? There it is. Which one was it? Proj. Right here. Yeah, 4%. $2.30. It's up 4%. It's up 4%. 4.05. It keeps on going back and forth. It was up way higher. It was almost double that this morning. Same as CEI. You do? Mr. L has BlackBerry. Good, 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 good. Enjoy it, man. Enjoy it, brother. BB. Up 2%, 6.53, 2.12. It's not bad, actually. It's not nowadays on these market things. Anything's good in the green. Anything's good. Let's put it back on AMC here. Yeah, Mariel. Hey, it is what it is. Sundial, like I said, has financial backing. Like, they own fucking almost everything in Canada now. Like, they just bought another company a couple days ago, right? They're buying up companies left and right. They're going to be the main company that owns everything. You remember, I'm not telling you guys what to do. That's up to you. I can't give you financial advice on that stuff. I can just talk to you about what the finances are and what they do and all that stuff. It's just that with the Canadian news, I get firsthand Canadian news on that shit because of where I am, right? And Sundial's all over the papers, all over the news here all the time, right? Just so you guys are aware of that stuff. Do. Fucking YouTube, man. I fucking hate YouTube. I hate YouTube. I don't like it. All in Sundial. I've been in Sundial. I've been in Ryan for a bit. It's lovely. Yep. SSYS. SSYS. SSSSSYS. SSYS. Let's check it out. Holy fuck, there's a lot of red in that. What is this thing anyways? It got a huge fucking push here. That went up quite a bit, man. Well, it went up a couple bucks this morning. What is this, though? Like, I wish the fucking news. Where's the news button on this? Refresh here. I don't have that. Yeah, I don't know where that one. There used to be a little news button here that you could hit, and it would give you all the briefing of it. But I don't know where that shit went, and I don't know how to get it back here. It'll be in settings. I don't know, guys. I don't want to mess with that shit. I'm screwing you up here. I'm messing you guys up. Well, we're above where we were when we came in a little bit. What did we come in at? 36.85. Fucking line, man. We need to get through that. Time is it? It's only 8:30, 8:22. 3D printing. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. .3D printing, eh? That's pretty cool stuff. Some of that, I like that stuff, man. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat stuff. Sundial. Do you guys want me to look up anything else, my friends? I'm just gonna go and check some mail here. I got some mail came in here. See if there's anything exciting. Damn, that's bright. Holy crap. I gotta change that fucking color. Yeah, look, you can't even see my face. It's so bright on the mirror, on the reflection here. That doesn't even make a difference. There, that helps a bit. Oh, it's overcasted again out there. Overcasted. Do. Doodle-doo. I think I'm gonna let you guys go a little early today, my friends. We don't got nothing going on here, and I'm just keeping you guys from doing shit around your around your life. I'm going to. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I think I gotta do some housework. Oops, it's pretty dark in here. Sorry, guys. You can't even see me. So I think I'm gonna let you guys. What do you think? What do you guys think? I'll let you call the shot. We're just getting side action across the whole market here. There's really no news out. There's no sense in. This is just my opinion. There's no sense in sitting here talking about we can sit here and talk about just stuff, or we can I can just see you guys tomorrow, and we can start off with a new day. You can just go out and get some stuff done, and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna go out and vacuum my truck out today and clean the windshield on the inside. I got to get ready for that job, so I can always do that whenever. It doesn't matter to me. But yeah, you guys just want to meet up tomorrow? Yeah, I would be leaving you guys on some green, man. For sure. It would be. Yeah. Go do something productive, my friends. Because just think, in the near future, you're all going to be pretty well off. Or if you're not well off, it depends on the amount of shares, and that doesn't mean anything. This is life changing. Even if you own one share, it's still going to affect your life, right? I'll wait for you guys to make some comments here. I know that it's a little bit slow here. We're at 10-15 second delay with YouTube. I have it set up like that for a reason, or else it just goes to shit. Really clear today. I think I got the settings right on the bit, on all the settings now. I'll leave you at $37.06, 0.64 in the green. Yeah, I'm saying, yeah. What time is it? 8:30. It's kind of a little early to kind of find out what the market's going to do, but I could just see it keeping around this range. I really can't see it doing anything crazy today, and I'm okay with that as long as it stays around this range. Is good. You guys feel the same way? Okay, guys. I don't have to do anything that exciting, but I just you guys go get some stuff done, because there's nothing productive right now on the market right now, and for us to just, life is short. Go tell somebody you love them, okay? Somebody in your family that you haven't talked to, okay? Anyways, love you guys, and love you, Wolfpack, and you guys have a good day. And I will see you here tomorrow morning, and we'll approach this from a different angle. Same angle, but different day. Okay, guys? Peace.